My name is Ramkumari Saha. I come from Dhanusha district. I was 18 or 19 years old. That is when I got leprosy. I'm extremely sad. I have nobody. Earlier, everything was good. My hands and feet were healthy. I got married. It was good. After that, I got this disease. I was blessed with a son, but after 3 months, he died. After this incident, I got this disease. Then I had another son, and my husband, he too got the same disease. So I came to Kathmandu with my son and daughter. So after Anandban Hospital, I rented a house here nearby. That is where Marianne ma'am met me and saw my bandages. I was passing by and she saw me, and that's when she brought me here at Shanti. At Shanti, it has been almost 25, many years have gone by. It has been quite a few years since I have been here.
She is so badly maimed, and people saw it, and people shunned her, and people showed her that they hated her. And yet she smiles, and what I admire most, that she learned how to knit.
I learned knitting at Anandban Hospital. There was an old lady there. She taught me how to stitch, how to knit and weave.
With her fingers, being able to knit as much as she can, as neatly as she can. And what I think is so very, very endearing about her, she is so sweet to other people too.
Recently, it has been about 3 years and 4 months since my husband passed away. He's not there in the world anymore. My son recently had kidney failure and passed away too. So I don't have anybody. I have 2 grandchildren who are very little. I have to fill all our stomachs. I am the only one earning. There is nobody else who can work. They are very young.
It is homework for tomorrow, okay? It is matching word, capital letter and small letter, yes?
53% of the children in Nepal now are undernourished. So how could I help her without having the problem of having to give a pay rise in the jobs for everyone? Luckily, we in Germany have the provision that we give, that our government gives us child money. Each child is entitled to a certain amount of money plus a tax reduction. So I thought the easiest way to help her is to give her child money. She is the person who brings up these two children, Jyoti and Krishna, and they are going to our school. And Granny is now the caretaker, and she is entrusted with this money to bring up herself and her children. So we have solved the problem.
I've learned everything, so now I am able to work very well. Marianne ma'am brought me to Shanti, gave me work, a place to live. I work here, I eat, I am well here.
I am happy that I can take the burden off the shoulder of these very heavily stricken women.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
We want our children that they always feel we are one family and Shanti is our home. And they can always come back to us so that we can guide them and become part of their family lives. So that I will see their children and be happy about the grandchildren that we have. And this is happening. And there are all these stories of the children who have understood Shanti is not an orphanage. Shanti is a family, and I belong to this family.